Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin can't seem to get its head above water. Let's dive into the latest developments. When everyone is selling, it's a great opportunity to buy. The software company's strategy has been buying around $1 billion worth of Bitcoin for 2 weeks in a row, something it hasn't done since January. Could it be that digital assets are experiencing temporary difficulties? Or is there panic among the ranks of pioneering crypto treasuries, and they are buying to support the market? If Bitcoin prices continue to fall, such stockpiling will be costly for Michael Saylor's company. Investors who bought Bitcoin in October are already caught in this trap. According to Glassnode estimates, unrealized losses have jumped to 4.4%. In the last 2 years, the figure has rarely risen above 2%. Cryptocurrency holders are selling on the rise to cut their losses. That is why periods of strengthening do not last long, and Bitcoin falls in line with the S&P 500. However, when the market rises, the cryptocurrency does not follow suit. This correlation breakup casts doubt on the nature of the token. Vanguard recently called cryptocurrency a digital toy. It is unsuitable for long-term investment, but represents something of a collector's item during a period of widespread mania. In other words, Bitcoin lacks the ability to generate interest income, but was bought because the instrument was growing. Even the fact that the Commodity Futures Trading Commission has allowed Bitcoin, Ether, and USDC stablecoin to be used as collateral for derivative transactions does not help cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, Vanguard has opened up access to crypto fund trading for investors. Could Bitcoin be part of a more global rotation? From 2022 to 2025, Bitcoin grew alongside big tech. Now, they are under the most pressure, and investors are switching to small-cap issuers. This is due to their inability to generate adequate returns on investment and high fundamental valuations. As a result, the Russell 2000 is outperforming the Nasdaq 100. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events happening in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.